Hello, my dear students. Today I'm going to say something regarding something you just listened to me. Okay, nowadays a disease spread is going to spread generally in every year. In February, in the month of February and March, it is coming. Okay, that is called as exam phobia. So you are become afraid of this. What will do? What will happen? What I will do in my exam? So like that, and also you are in pressure. So this is a little video to help you how to relieve from that pressure. Okay, first of all, I will tell you one story. This story also I used to listen from my mother also. Okay, you know Black Pagoda, Konark Temple is known as Black Pagoda. Okay, so when Konark Temple was constructed, you know what are the kings. King order do it fast. So Konark Temple when it was built, it is inside the sea, and the workers and the masons they put the stone inside the sea, and that gets sink inside the water. So they are confused what to do. You know what pressures are on the ministers. So the ministers are used to visit in sudden village. Okay, and he feel thirsty. Okay, so he just go near one of the houses and knock the door. Then one grandmother, okay, open the door. He saw someone just like royal persons are coming. There is the turban on the head. So she welcomed. Then after that the minister asked that auntie, just give me a glass of water. Then the grandmother think about the old woman, think about that this is the noon time. Okay, and you must feel him hungry, so I am giving to eat something, then drink some water and eat something also. So the older man give the khiri, you know, well known. Okay, it is very hot. What the minister do, the minister put directly his hand inside the middle of khiri, and his fingers started burning. Then the older man said, dear son, don't do that. Okay, eat from the side so that your fingers will not burn. The food will cold, the khiri will cold, and you can eat it easily. Okay, so moral of the story is, my dear students, exams are coming. You have to learn much. The whole book you have to cover, but what you will do, make it fragment. Don't worry about that I will eat everything, just like the minister started to eat all the khiri at a time. Not like that. Little bit, little we have to eat so that we can eat the full khiri. Okay, the minister, then the minister again think that yes, what we are doing actually, we are putting the stone inside the sea, which is sink. We will, if we keep the stone from the bank of the sea, then we can easily construct the temple. So this is that moral of that story. So my dear students, exams are coming, and you are in pressure, I know this one, but just I'm giving certain tips, just to help you. Okay, what you will do in these days. Okay, so first one is get organized. Get organized means you have to make a timetable. Divide your timetable. Everyone has 24 hours, so you have to make schedule. No, this time I will learn math. Make it yourself. Don't think about the others who will give me, I will learn like that. It is upon you. Make a schedule. I will learn math in this time, science is the time, and other subject also accordingly. So first of all, get organized. And thing is that next thing, you have to every day, not only the study timetable, you have to every day wake up time 6 o'clock, must be 6 o'clock. Then after that, finish off your all the activities, daily activities, do meditation, then eat something and started learning. Okay, and in between the learning you have to take a break. That is also essential, you have to take a break. Okay, then divide it up, means how much time you have to give on study, how much time you have to give out on playing also. play certain little bit you have to do. That is break is necessary. You have to play certain time so that your mind will happy. You know our brain also working 24 hours. So we have to give them a break. Okay. Then sleeping. Third thing is a sleep. 6 hours sleeping must be 6 hours. Okay, it is essential so that our brain will function properly. Okay, then set a schedule. Already we have discussed, set a schedule every day what you will do, what the portion you have to complete from the book. That also you have to decide yourself. No, today I will finish up this one, tomorrow I will finish up this one. Accordingly you make a schedule. Then find study habit. Okay, so you have to you have to create yourself how you will study. Okay, make a friend circle. Okay, there is a memory percentage I will tell you. Okay, generally whenever you are listening to the lecture, means in classroom, how much the teacher is teaching, only 5% a student can remember. Okay, then from that classroom you are coming to home, then do self learning. Read the book, whatever teacher taught, read that one. You will memorize 20%. Okay, then after that whatever you learn, take a rough copy and write that one. You can memorize up to 40%. Then after that what you will do, discuss that same topic with your friends. You can memorize up to 60%. Okay, then after that make a quiz. You will ask question to your friends and your friend will answer, and same time your friend will ask you question, you will answer. In this way you can memorize 70%. Then last one what you will do, okay, you just call your 2 to 3 4 friends and teach them. Okay, in this way you can memorize more than 90%. Okay, 100%, those who are genius they can memorize 100%. So this is the study habit. Maintain yourself. Okay, don't worry so much worried about the exam. Just like I told the story, and you have that how the ministers are eating from the middle and fingers burn, and how the older man advised him that eat from the side so that the food will cool and you can eat easily. Like that, get organized and make your study, make your schedule into fragments. Today I will learn this much, tomorrow I will learn this much, like that. Okay, so this much for your from my side. Hope you all the best for your exam from my side. Bye everyone.